Jeffrey Achiaga, aka Timmy Turner. I'm doing my bike check. I got resist congloid bars, ODI grips. I don't have any barring. Demolition stem, Monarch stem, unknown headset, demolition pivotal seat, originate pivotal seat post. I have volume vandal frame, volume crib fork. In the front, I have chucker 36 hole 26 laced to a demolition Mary Kay hub, built-in hub guard. I have resist tan wall 2.25 tire. In the back, I have MTX laced to originate 36 hole resist 2.25 tire, and I have demolition pedals and tramp straps, pink, resist black 165 millimeter crank arms, demolition sprocket 27 tooth, resist bottom bracket. I'm riding on a 2714, and I have one demolition peg in the front, black, and in the back I have just a regular stock peg. And my chain is KMC half link. That's my bike check.